Welcome back. I'm Professor Jeff from Market Mindset University, and today we're setting up your trading toolkit. This video covers 3 essential tools every serious trader needs: ThinkorSwim for practice, TradingView for charting, and TraderVue for journaling. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to download and why each tool matters. Let's get started. When I first started trading, I didn't have a system. I was using my broker's basic platform, guessing at entries, and never tracking my trades. I thought I could figure it out as I go. No practice, no proper charts, no journal. That approach cost me $10,000 on AMC options. I was trading blind, and the market punished me for it. Here's what I learned. You can't build trading discipline without the right tools. You need a place to practice, a platform to analyze charts, and a system to track every decision you make. That's what we're building today. At Market Mindset University, we use 3 tools that work together. Tool number 1, ThinkorSwim. This is Charles Schwab's free simulator. It lets you practice trades with fake money in a real market environment. Tool number 2, TradingView. This is the charting platform we rely on for technical analysis, support and resistance, and spotting high probability setups. Tool number 3, TraderVue. This is your trading journal. Every trade you take gets logged here so you can review what worked and what didn't. Let's break down each one. ThinkorSwim is one of the best free simulators available. It's built by Charles Schwab, and you don't need to fund an account to use it. Here's why it matters. Trading is a skill. Surgeons didn't learn surgery by cutting into a real patient. They practiced first. ThinkorSwim gives you a paper trading account with fake money. You can place trades, test strategies, and build confidence without risking a single dollar. We've linked the official beginner tutorial from Charles Schwab in the description below. It walks you through account setup, placing orders, and exploring indicators. Your homework after this video: download ThinkorSwim and complete that tutorial. Get familiar with the interface. Place a few practice trades. Feel what it's like to execute without fear. The more you practice in a safe environment, the faster you'll grow when real money is on the line. TradingView is the charting platform we use at Market Mindset University. It's free to start, easy to use, and one of the fastest ways to build real chart confidence. Inside this platform, we do 3 things. 1, we spot fair value gaps. These are inefficiencies in price action, where the market moved too fast and left a gap behind. Those gaps get filled, and that's where we find entries. 2, we mark support and resistance. These are the levels where price has historically bounced or reversed. Knowing these levels gives you an edge. 3, we identify high probability setups. TradingView lets you draw trend lines, mark zones, and visualize setups before you ever place a trade. If you haven't created your TradingView account yet, use our official MMU referral link in the description. It gives you a $15 reward on your first paid plan, but you can start for free. Download it. Open a chart. Don't know where to start? The Quick Start Guide includes 5 stocks we recommend for practice: Apple, NVIDIA, and 3 others. These are liquid, beginner-friendly names that let you focus on learning support and resistance without worrying about complexity. Start marking levels. Get comfortable reading price action. This is how you build confidence. The 3rd tool is TraderVue, and this is where most traders fail. They don't journal their trades. Here's the truth. If you're not tracking your trades, you're not learning from them. You'll repeat the same mistakes over and over because you have no data to review. TraderVue solves this. It's a trading journal that logs every trade you take. You can tag your emotions, note your setup, and review your performance over time. This is how you spot patterns. Maybe you're profitable on Monday mornings but lose money on Friday afternoons. Maybe you win on momentum plays but lose on reversals. You won't know unless you track it. We also have an MMU referral link for TraderView in the description below. Set up your account. Start logging trades even if they're just practice trades in ThinkorSwim. The habit of journaling is more important than the trades themselves. Build the habit now. Journal everything. Setups, profits and losses, even your emotions. Let's recap. You need 3 tools. ThinkorSwim to practice trades without risking real money. TradingView to analyze charts, mark levels, and spot high probability setups. TraderVue to journal every trade and review your performance. These 3 tools work together. You practice in ThinkorSwim. You plan your trades in TradingView. You track your results in TraderVue. This is the foundation. Every successful trader we know uses some version of this system. Don't skip this step. Here's your action plan for today. Step 1. Download ThinkorSwim and watch the official beginner tutorial linked below. Get familiar with the platform. Step 2. Create your TradingView account using our referral link. Explore the interface. Start marking levels on a few charts. See Quick Start Guide for stock suggestions. Step 3. Set up TraderVue and prepare to log your practice trades. These platforms have tutorials built in. Take the initiative. Explore. Click around. Get comfortable. In the next orientation video, I'm going to share the story of how I lost $10,000 on AMC options and how that loss gave birth to Market Mindset University. Stay focused. See you in video 4.